Hello everyone, hope you're right. In today's video, I'm going to show you the progress of my Salvia plant, which I started from bare root this year. This is Salvia nemorosa, also called woodland sage, and is known for its fragrant foliage with spikes of purple flowers. As you can see, this is really beautiful plant and it can grow like 3 feet tall and wide. I have planted it here in this gravel bed which is east facing, so it likes a sunny to part shade location which is sheltered from winds. It performs best in full sun position, but it can tolerate part shade as well. It likes moist but well drained soil and can perform in sandy, clay or loamy soil, and it can be grown in all kinds of soil pH like acidic to neutral to alkaline. Once established, it is quite drought tolerant. However, in first year, it's a good idea to water it really well so it establishes itself. It is quite a maintenance-free plant. However, it is a good idea to deadhead these spent flower spikes to prolong the blooming period. It starts blooming in June and keeps blooming through fall and produces these tall racemes of violet purple flowers above rough green silvery foliage, and this plant attracts pollinator crazy. I can see lots of bees and butterflies around this plant all day long. This is a herbaceous perennial plant, which means it comes back year after year and it forms clumps which can be divided to produce more plants. It can also be easily propagated by taking cuttings in summer. It can be planted at the front of a flower bed as a hedge or in a big drift for a great statement, or it can also be planted as a thriller plant in a container. It also does well if underplanted with roses and other shrubs, and it gives your garden that country cottagey look. I have planted it alongside my hydrangea, which is also like purple violet flowers, and these two plants produce a big drift of purple color here in my border. So hydrangea plant has like more bold and round flower heads, and this salvia has like tall spikes of small purple flowers, and paired together I think they look absolutely beautiful with this purple color but different textures. This plant is quite disease and pest resistant. The only problem is like slugs and snails, which can be easily handled. I fed it with a well-balanced fertilizer when I planted it here, and I feed it like every month with a slow release well-balanced fertilizer as a side dressing. I started it from a bare root, and it's an economical way to add more plants in your garden. And I will include the link in the description box where I started from bare roots. So if you are interested, you can check it out. At the moment, I only have one plant in my garden, but I would love to have more of these plants because they are really attractive and I really like them. So I may try to propagate it by taking cuttings or dividing when it's fully established. So if you are interested, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for future updates. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.